Lamisil Antifungal Cream. Active ingredient in Lamisil Antifungal Cream is terbinafine hydrochloride. Terbinafine belong to the class of antifungal medication which is known as allylamine antifungal class. Uses of Lamisil Antifungal Cream. Lamisil Antifungal Cream is used to treat athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It is also effective in treating fungal infections of the nails, known as onychomycosis. Lamisil Antifungal Cream can be used to relieve symptoms such as itching, redness, and inflammation associated with these fungal infections. Dose of Lamisil Antifungal. Once or twice daily apply on the affected area of the skin the dose of Lamisil Antifungal Cream. Contraindication of Lamisil Cream. Lamifene Antifungal Cream should not be used by individuals who have a known allergy to any of its ingredients. It is not recommended for use on broken or injured skin as it may cause further irritation. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before using Lamifene Antifungal Cream. Side effects of Lamisil Cream. The most common side effects of Lamifene Antifungal Cream include skin irritation, redness, burning sensation, and itching at the application site.